Meaning of droit de seigneur.
Droit de seigneur.
Droit de seigneur.
Droit de seigneur.
Droit de seigneur. Droit de seigneur is a French term meaning lord's right, which historically referred to the supposed medieval right of a feudal lord to have sexual relations with the bride on her wedding night. This practice was never widespread or formally recognized, and most historians believe it to be a myth. Nevertheless, the idea has persisted in popular culture and literature as a symbol of feudal oppression and abuse of power. Today, the term is used more broadly to refer to any perceived abuse of power by those in positions of authority.